Hello there, me lovelies. Well, here we are down at the plot, and came down in a bit of a hurry because we did have a bit of rain this morning, but it let off. So I'll just swivel you round and give you a proper tour. So here we are at the front of the plot. I've got some trailing geraniums in there, some miscellaneous bulbs in the big green one, but the succulents are coming back in the middle there. Succulents in there again, they're looking good. And then a few more miscellaneous bulbs in there. That's what they were sold as in the allotment shop, actually. Yeah, miscellaneous bulbs, 20p a bag, so who am I to refuse? More sempervenums there. Another trailing geranium. And we have a rather sad looking specimen of a rhubarb, but to be honest, I did dig up the rhubarb and split it rather too late. So, and here we have a blackcurrant bush, as you can see. They're going rather well. Another blackcurrant bush there. I don't know why it always stays small. Doesn't seem to gain any height. And in there I planted another crown of a rhubarb. You never know your luck. So moving on to this little tunnel here. You'll have to excuse me guys if my breathing gets a little bit laboured. Lung condition, COPD. But anyway, under here I have some Brussels sprout plants. So I'm quite chuffed with those. And then if we move a bit further on down, we have here 2 rows of main crop potatoes, and we have one coming up. Where is he? Oh yeah, there he is, just there. Have another row here, but nothing showing on that one yet. These are my peas, which at the moment are looking a bit straggly, but when the wind settles down a bit more, then I can put some more string horizontally, which will help. And then this morning I added more canes to this structure, another 6 actually, so that's a nice sturdy framework for the runner beans, which I'll show you in a tick. But these are the broad beans. I do have quite a bad case of black fly with these. Well, I don't know what happened there, but my camera decided to shut off, so I've just checked what I've got recorded, so start here again. Yeah, so the broad beans, they're got quite a bad case of black fly, so I should be coming up here and using some washing up liquid diluted into water and dousing them, but you don't want to do that just yet because it's wet, so I don't want to drown them. First early potatoes here, they're really coming along nicely now, and going along. Here I sowed some carrots, but as you can see, there's hardly anything there, just one. But I do have leeks. So the golden acre cabbage, which is along that row there, they got munched by the slugs, but that's not a problem. I can re-sow those. And then here, onions obviously, garlic at the back, but again I had carrots in there along that row where that stick is, and there's absolutely nothing. Not having much luck with carrots this year, don't know why. But another bed of onions and garlic. There's both red and white in both beds, but these ones here seem to be better than those over there for some reason. And we have a little strawberry pot there, a few strawberries in there, and then under there is lettuce. You can just see them coming up. Shallots at the back there. They're looking better than the onions. So how it goes, how it goes. And then in the mini greenhouse, I got French cobra beans at the back here, so that's going to give me a fair few plants there. And then here I have another set of peas, which are Victorian Colossus, I think they're called. There is another name for them. Runner beans in there. They're doing really well. Probably screaming to go out, but they can't just yet. And then a couple of sweet peas there. So that, my friends, my lovelies, is quite a detailed tour of the plot, but there is one thing I did forget to show you, and that is these cabbage plants in here. They're doing really well, and excuse me, you may notice I've got beetroot planted in between them. So on that note, guys, I'm gonna have myself a cup of tea, and as you can see by the big black clouds by my head there, I'm gonna make tracks for home. I'll catch you again, guys. Bye for now.